I'm with Simon on the Bridge Technology stand, and we're talking software. So Simon, software, take it away.
You know, we've been about software even since we started 22 years ago, because everything else, the hardware was just a platform for the software. Funny I should mention platform, because you know, we have a great deal of collaboration with NAP. They're one of the biggest global providers of high-end TV services, and they just launched their platform, which is a software orchestration tool.
Correct.
And we're part of that. So you can then actually have our tools, the full set of tools, as a software-only component, being able to be provisioned in their system. We already used it in their system for the Paris Olympics. We used it for the Winter Olympics, and it's going to be in full swing on the new World Cup happening later this year.
And you said partnerships. Now, I think you're not only, we're on your booth here, right? You're not only here.
No, we're actually a lot of different places. You know, I wear the MXL pin a bit proudly, because MXL is kind of an interesting technology. It's not there yet, but it's pointing for something at the future. And, you know, we're all a bit show-offs, you know, so we actually talked to Grass Valley and said, do you want to show our product if we have it in an MXL container? And they said, yes, please, show it to us. So we got it to them, and we're showcasing that at the Grass Valley booth for the full MXL interoperability with their AMP system.
Great. And, again, that's not the only place on the show floor elsewhere.
Very true.
Yeah.
So first of all, we're showcasing all of our software components at the NAP stand as well, of course, obviously. But we are so proud to be able to showcase our 440 at the Blackmagic design stand, because Blackmagic launched a ton of new 2110 equipment, and we're happy to stand beside them and you know, make sure that everything works and that they're capable of showcasing all the great features they have.
And with this, with these partnerships, do they get full functionality of the 440?
Absolutely, and that's the whole point. There's no subset of this thing. It's the full functionality with all things running in software. On the MXL container side, that's a little different story, because a lot of the packet measurements that we do in IP networks, it doesn't really apply in an MXL setting. So that's different kind of parameters. But except that, in all of the software stuff that NAP do, full functionality.
Oh yes. And they just get a license, release it, done.
Exactly.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Simon.
Just a pleasure.
Now let's just remind people website that we send them to if they want to find out more information or get in touch and talk.
Yep, let's do this in synchronous. You say www.bridgetech.com. TV. Yeah. One more time. www.bridgetech.tv.